मैंने हर घर में अपने घर को ढूंढा है। मेरा घर आकर मुझसे कहाँ मिलेगा। एक आंगन, एक चारपाई और एक छत के नीचे का बसेरा कहाँ मिलेगा, जहाँ सूरज मेरी खिड़की पर आए और छेड़े मुझे। ऐसा सवेरा कहाँ मिलेगा। जगह जगह दिल के हिस्से और सामान पड़ा है। ऐसा बसेरा अब कहाँ मिलेगा। As our house progressed, we realized that to truly bring our vision to life, we needed a fresh perspective. और उसके बाद हमारी लाइफ में एंटर हुए AR आर्किटेक्ट्स।
Aditi and Parikshit had come to us when the house was still in the structural process. The few walls were built, the outer walls were there, but a few walls were built inside. Aditi was very rigid. She wanted 2 TVs, one in the dining area and one at the living area.
हमारे घर में ना Parikshit, my husband, and my 2 children, they inevitably have this habit of watching TV while eating. So I really wanted 2 separate TVs, one for the living area and one for the dining area.
But the whole area was a single rectangular thing, which I was a little skeptical that 2 TV areas won't look good. Then I tried to convince her that let's do a TV in the middle part and we can rotate the TV.
So creatively, she understood my needs and came up with the idea of this swirl TV in which we zoom it to whichever side we are sitting. I think this is the most beautiful thing of our living room and everybody kind of enjoys it. Because this house is a blend of mom, dad, children, and of course us. So I needed a spacious and a large dining area to gather comfortably. A large and a well-equipped kitchen with ample of storage and multiple working stations to accommodate our everyday essentials and to stock up also on a lot of things for future.
So what we've tried, we've just jutted out this island from this platform which comes out of this wall, and then we've taken a round table which has no corners, so while you're walking around you are not hurt from the sharp corners. So this adds up and lifts up the whole kitchen and makes it a very interesting piece where you can have conversations and they can invite their friends.
We wanted a bar area so that we can host our friends, but we also wanted it to be hidden. And this was the first requirement we told Ruchi about, and so beautifully she has designed the whole thing in which it accommodates our need. We wanted an enclosed drawing room in which we can have intimate gatherings. Also, it kind of opens up to an informal area for which she created a beautiful anteroom.
So the anteroom is a connection between the living area and the lobby space, and this anteroom opens up to the garden. So they have a nice big area to throw parties. A Japanese painting which is done on these small plates. As AR architects, whenever we design, we try to incorporate the needs of the user or the family people. There are 3 generations living here, the grandparents, the couple and their children. So, and all of them have different needs. So we try to incorporate their needs and their likabilities. We had to understand and have a very close connection with them so that we could understand and we could make the space flow like the ones that they have dreamt of.
So I have 2 children, Vihan and Pehel. Vihan is very athletic while Pehel is a dreamer. तो विहान के लिए we wanted कि उसकी space ऐसी होनी चाहिए in which he can climb around, jump from one place to another, sit at different places.
This room previously was still here, and afterwards we extended this room because जो Vihan है, the son of Aditi, He is a very sporty person and he is a cyclist, a national level cyclist. So उसको एक area ऐसा चाहिए था जहाँ पर he could chill out. There is a, if you can see, there is a ladder and a hanging space here, which has different kind of sittings. A sitting near the window, a sitting in like a cutout which we have made in the wardrobe, and just relax, read a book or something like that. The plot is a big plot, a huge plot. This house is about around, the ground coverage is around 3,000 square feet. The total construction is around 7,000-8,000 square feet. The plot is facing north, and the longer side is the eastern and the western side of the house.
I always used to tell this to AR Architects that I need a pop in the entire house. But Ruchi is the one who used to calm me down, and how beautifully she has blended my eclectic taste with her subtle suggestions. For her, I am just going to give one compliment, that she is someone who influences you without power.